up and I will kill you. Again and again.
Match for your help.
Chief, I can't trust your heavy weapon. It's not safe. The Gravemind, it knows how to move up.
I did not choice. The LT, the sergeant, they were all infected. I could see it crawling, sliding around beneath their skin. Oh. And then they got up, started to talk. Oh God, their voices. Oh God, no, make them stop. I did them a favor. Yeah, that's it. I helped them. Maybe I need to help myself. Maybe I need.
Hail humans and take heed.